Welcome to our manufacturing facility. Today, I'll show you how cigarettes are made, from carefully prepared tobacco leaves to the final packaged product.
Different tobacco varieties are blended to achieve a consistent flavor and quality profile. Each cigarette is manufactured with automated precision and continuously monitored for consistency.
Every package is inspected to ensure it meets manufacturing specifications before distribution.
And that's how cigarettes are manufactured in a modern factory, from prepared tobacco to the finished packaged product.
Thanks for joining us.